How to use the Content Aware tool in Photoshop. This is a picture of a giraffe that I took this summer in Nebraska. It's a pretty good picture. The color is nice, but there's some distracting leaves in the top corner that I'd like to get rid of. There's lots of choices of what we can actually use for this. We could use the cloning stamp. We could select part of the picture and replace pixels. There's actually a tool for that. And this series of tools are all together. There is several of them that would help with this particular issue. But today we're going to use the Content Aware and Move tool. And it is hidden underneath the Spot Healing Brush tool. There are several slight differences between these other tools. I'm going to zoom in so I can see what I'm doing a little bit closer. Now I'm back to selecting the Content Aware tool. First, I want to look to see where I want to use pixels from. I want to get rid of this green in the corner. My next step is to click and draw a shape in the area that I want to use as the patch of blue to cover the green leaves. After I have the dancing ants or the selected area ready, I click and I drag it over to cover the leaves. If I feel like it looks good, I go to my options bar, I click the check mark to keep the changes. If I don't, I click no. I'm going to deselect the area so I can see in detail that that doesn't look strange. Now there's no longer green leaves in the top corner. Finally, I want to go ahead and save this image. I want to be sure and click File, Save As, so I do not save over the top of my original file. Save As allows me to rename my document, choose where I want to save it. I can save it as a copy or change the file type, the color mode, and the compression. After I have all the choices selected that I want, and I've renamed the file, I'll click Save. Then you get a dialog box where you have the opportunity to compress the image even more, or if you want to keep it at a high level of quality so you can print it, you want to kind of leave it alone or move it to the high end of file sizes. You have a few other options and you can preview the changes, and when you're done, click OK and we'll finish saving your file. I'm going to change mine to the maximum file size because I do plan on printing this one. Thanks for watching.